So we got all this done on this corner. This is what the doors look like once they're done on there. I did add these up here, which are pretty handy. Keep everything from rattling around when the wind's blowing. Like I said, I still got a lot of trim to do, things like that, and then it will get metal sheeted just like the roof. There's the other doors. So the way I planned this thing was, once I get it done, I'll be able to open these doors. Like that. And come all the way through, all the way out to these other rooms. So we come right through here.